The Structural Modeling and Analysis (SMA) division plays a key role in advancing structural analysis for hydroelectric projects across the country. It develops structural models for major components such as dams, penstocks, and surge tanks to support design and decision-making. The division specializes in studying critical parts of water conductor systems through in situ strain measurements and advanced finite element method (FEM) analysis to assess stress and stability, particularly in gravity dams. It also uses strain gauge technology and mathematical modeling to carry out comprehensive studies during the design, construction, and rehabilitation phases of hydroelectric projects. Facilities available at SMA division. The division is having state-of-the-art facilities such as data acquisition systems of 32 times 3 channel and 64 times 2 channel, large collection of various types strain gauges for in situ strain measurement of hydraulic structure. SMA division is also having dedicated finite element lab for carrying out mathematical studies pertaining to hydraulic structures. Softwares such as ABAX, Luzas, Solvia, Surfer, MATLAB are being used in this lab. CWPRS conducted numerous studies. Few case studies are presented here. Case Study 1, Analysis and Interpretation of Dam Instrumentation Data for Indira Sagar Dam, Madhya Pradesh. SMA division has been carrying out structural health monitoring of Indira Sagar Dam for past 25 years by analyzing dam instrumentation data. Various instruments have been installed in block number 13 and 25 blocks during construction at various pre-decided locations throughout the height and width of the dam block for studying post-construction structural behavior. For long-term measurement, frequency-based vibrating wire-type transducers have been used and providing data towards uplift pressure, pore pressure, temperature, strain, stress and displacement. This data has been plotted with time period and reservoir water level. Effects of reservoir water level along with climatic conditions on various parameters have been studied. CWPRS, to keep pace with the technological advancement, has proposed a plan to real-time health monitoring of dams with the help of 5G data transmission system. Case study: Strain measurements in penstock during in situ hydro test under static and running conditions for Bhira Hydroelectric Project, Raigad, Maharashtra. CWPRS has carried out in situ strain measurements in penstock under various powerhouse operating conditions along with pumped storage mode of operation on trail basis for Tata's Bhira Hydroelectric Project, Raigad, Maharashtra. In this study, 2 locations on penstock lines have been selected, one in between anchor blocks up 3N and up 4N based on highest head acting criteria and another in between anchor blocks up 16N and up 17N as this portion was burst during initial phases. Case study: Dynamic stress analysis by FEM of one deepest non-overflow section of Bhatsa Dam, Maharashtra. SMA division also deals with the dynamic analysis of hydraulic structures. Study has been carried out for the dynamic stress analysis by finite element method of one non-overflow block of Bhatsa Dam located in the state of Maharashtra, which comes under seismic zone 3. The study has been carried out using present-day in situ physical properties of dam body and site-specific acceleration time history parameters. The study has been carried out with 2 different sections of spillway, in which one section without buttress and another section spillway with buttress. The purpose of using 2 different sections is to understand the behavior of dam in earthquake condition with and without buttress. Study shows that the buttress has provided the necessary strength required for the dam.